Hey everybody, it's Sherry from Mature Beauty Studio. I want to come on today and talk a little bit about lip color. I have so many lip colors in my palette. I tend to go towards the same ones over and over. So I want to shake it up a little bit. I want to show you some different lip colors, and I also want to show you some little tips and tricks. If you have mature kind of aging lips and you have some little issues, they're thinning, they're drooping, I'm going to show you some tricks today. So here we go. All right, first little trick. Sometimes our mouths start drooping when we get older. I don't know why this happens. We're happy, we're still the way we are, but things are drooping and falling. So I'm going to show you a trick how to lift those up a little bit. I'm going to take my detail brush, take this small end, I'm going to dip it into my brightening highlight, and I'm going to show you a little trick just to kind of lift up the edges of those lips. So, see how they are? All right, if we take our brush, and I'm going to just kind of cut off that edge with my highlight. So you see I'm kind of disguising it. So I'm doing a little trick. Where it's drooping, I'm going to highlight it and cover it. I shouldn't say cover it, camouflage it a bit. Now you can experiment with this, see what works best for you. I'm actually kind of getting rid of the droop with the highlight. So the lip part that's kind of hanging down, I've kind of taken that brightening highlight. And we'll blend that out in a minute. The other place you can do this, if you have these lines coming down, don't be afraid to just take a little bit of your brightening highlight right in there, and then we'll blend that out too. That'll disguise that a little bit. So just softly kind of blend that out. So we got rid of the droopiness. Next little trick is lining your lips. And this, for aging lips, thinning lips, is pretty important. Today I am just using, for the sake of time, just a quick little eye pencil. This is a Wet n Wild. It's probably a $2 pencil you can get anywhere. And I'm just using a fairly neutral shade. And when you line your lips, at the edge, we want to just go right on the lip line. But as we get to the center, we want to extend it a little bit. So that's going to give us a little bit bigger lip. So I just kind of open, start right on the lip at the edge. It would help if I opened it up. And then when I'm getting down here, I'm going just a bit outside. Okay. So at the biggest part down here, go a little bit outside. As we get towards the sides, bring it right back onto the lip. Okay, so we've just hid that droopy part. Okay, same thing up here. And you can kind of stretch your lips taut. Okay. So I'm going a little bit above my lip line in the center. And then when I come down, I'm going to be right on the lip line. Okay, so keep it light here. Build it up there. See the 1/2 I did? So I've already built that lip up a little. And small little strokes is the key. Don't try to take a whole line. Just small, and get down here. So there we go. We've lined those babies up. Now in my little lip palette, and I can create a really pretty lip palette for you. What I did today is I used Nude, which is great for mixing with any of your darker shades. If you feel intimidated wearing a bright red lip or darker shades, go ahead and get that Nude, because that's gonna just kind of tone that down a little bit. It's a beautiful shade on its own. So if you like a nude lip, it's gorgeous. I'm pairing it up today with Saffron, which is a beautiful, beautiful red. I love it on its own, but if I want to take it down, I'll do that. Black Cherry, which looks totally intimidating in the tin. It's kind of a berry stain. Let me just swipe that and I'll show you what that looks like, because in the tin it looks crazy. but you can see what it does. It's just kind of a berry stain, so very pretty on its own. So don't be intimidated by that one. It's gorgeous. Everybody loves it. And then I also have our Pearl Cream Illuminator that we use on our faces, on our cheeks, but it's also great to pop on your lips. So that's what's in my palette today. I'm going to go ahead and just start with that Nude. And I'm okay putting it on with my fingers. So isn't that beautiful? If you like just a nice nude shade, that's pretty. Me, I'm a little bolder kind of girl. I like a little color. I'm not gonna lie. I like my reds. I like my burgundies. I just like to wear lipstick if I'm wearing lipstick. So I'm gonna amp it up a little bit. I'm gonna put a little of that really beautiful red Saffron right over that bare, or over the Nude. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. I mean, I love it on its own, believe me, but with this Nude, I think it's so rich. So this is more of a matte. I think both of them that I used were matte. Bare or Nude and Saffron are both a matte finish. If I want just a little bit of a gloss, I'm gonna dip into that Black Cherry because that's more of a glossy. And again, just adding another depth of color. That just gave it that little bit of berry stain. So there you go. I know I'm moving my head around. I feel like one of those kind of dolls in the back of the car, sorry. And to kind of finish it off, I'm gonna just dip my finger in that Pearl Illuminator and pop it on my pout. So you can see what that's doing. Adding a little bit of glimmer shimmer right on your pout. So those are my lips today. I'm gonna just swipe them on my hand. I showed you which one did I have? I had Black Cherry. I'm gonna just swatch some of the Saffron and the Nude. So there you go. Black Cherry, Saffron, and Nude. Aren't those pretty? I think they're a great combination together, but on their own, they're perfect too. If you want me to create a little lip palette for you, if you want me to pick up 4 different shades or an illuminator or a lip conditioner to put in that quad, it makes a great gift. It's also great to just throw in your purse and carry around. So that's all I have for you today. Tune in for more videos and tutorials. Make sure and turn your notifications on this Facebook page. And that way, every time I do a video, you're gonna see it. All right, that's it, guys. Good to see you. Take care. Bye.